हेलो एवरीवन। मुझे उम्मीद है आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ मेरा लास्ट क्लास, जिसमें हमारे प्रोफेसर ने काफ़ी कुछ अच्छा कुछ सिखाया, वो मैं शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। इट वाज अ क्वालिटेटिव रिसर्च क्लास इन विच द काइंड ऑफ अप्रोच एन academic researcher and an organizational practitioner takes, how much relevant the research should be for the practitioner as well as for the researcher. There are basically five components of relevance. I'll one by one I'll tell. The first one is descriptive relevance. Second, goal relevance. Third, operational validity. Fourth, non obviousness. And fifth, timeliness. यहाँ पे ये सारे 5 पॉइंट्स को ध्यान में रख करके हमें हमें मीन्स एकेडमिक रिसर्चर को रिसर्च करना चाहिए, सो दैट इट विल बी एप्लीकेबल इन द प्रैक्टिकल वर्ल्ड फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल प्रैक्टिशनर्स. Some of the notes which I have made, I'll just share with you. It says the knowledge exists in both the world, in academic world and also in practitioners world. Practitioners are always interested in finding the solution, and the knowledge available in the academic world is quite abstract. Academic researcher will always say the rigorous process, but the practitioner needs the relevance of the research. Academicians always talks about some theory, but we also should try to understand the perspective of the stakeholder. Then accordingly, the researcher should do the research. Researchers have the tendency to generalize everything, but sometimes the practitioner needs specific, not the general things. And as a researcher, we need to develop our own understanding, and relevance is very subjective. So, we need to understand the stakeholders' perspective of relevance also. There are two kind of theory which I learned. One is formal theory, another is substantial theory. In social phenomena, it's very context specific, and the management research comes under the social research because the human beings are the actors in it. Theory building is always a creative process, and concepts are nothing but some ideas. Academic research is a scientific research where they ask for the evidence. Practitioner will always look for success. And last thing which I learned is publishing is a game, but research is a passion. So these are the important things which I learned, which I wanted to share with you all. I hope you people will also share through your comments. Take care. Bye bye.